to our newest class. I am very excited and very glad that you have decided to join me in this class. Thank you for that, and I assure you that you will learn some very interesting things in this class and an absolutely new business model that you can use from today with zero financial cost to start to make money online right away and to build a business online. So our class, it's called 3 Ways to Make Money Online with Arbitrage. I will tell you immediately what arbitrage means and why we will be discussing 3 ways of using this type of business to make money online. There are even more than that, but we will discuss 3 main ways that I found to be the simplest out of them all and practically can generate a very fast income from you, even from the first few days up to a month since you start this new business model. So let's dive into the information. First of all, let's start with the beginning. We will have a short introduction, and first of all, I want you guys to understand exactly what arbitrage means, because this is very important. So arbitrage is the practice of taking advantage of a price difference between 2 or more markets. So striking a combination of matching deals that capitalize upon the imbalance, the profit being the difference between the market prices. This is a definition according to Wikipedia. Probably I've lost you somewhere along the way. If I would have heard this definition for the first time for arbitrage, I would have probably understand like nothing. But it's actually very, very simple, and let me explain you in the next slide how this exactly works. Arbitrage. So we have a product, okay, let's say we have an iPhone or a Samsung phone or anything like that, okay, it doesn't matter. We have a product that is sold in 2 marketplaces, market 1 at $25 and market 2 at $37. What is arbitrage? Arbitrage is practically buying from market 1 the product and selling it into the market 2. We are actually profiting from the different price points of the 2 markets, which will be our profit. Obviously, price market 2 minus price market 1, which is actually $12. That will be our profit. So it's actually a very, very simple business model and the classic profit formula: buy for less, sell for more, and you will get a profit. Okay, that is what arbitrage is in economical terms. Now, let's see what types of arbitrage we will discuss in this course and class. First of all, we will discuss about arbitrage for physical products. So like the example I just gave you with the iPhone, but it can be practically related to any type of physical products. I don't know, even shampoo if you want to, or anything that it's a physical product. Then we will also discuss about arbitrage for digital products or services, which actually it's a more new type of arbitrage, to say so, but it's getting more and more traction, and it's very useful, and it can be a very lucrative business model. Now, how is this possible? Okay, how can we practically use this business model, and why especially we can use it right now, and why we should take advantage of this business model? Well, first of all, it's a model of business that can be done without upfront financial investment. You don't need money to start with. I'm one of the adepts that every business should start through the lean startup methodology, and if you can start a business without any upfront investment, that's even better. And that's all possible because the digital era that we live in, okay, these practically differences that exist between marketplaces and so on. If you think about it, maybe 25 years ago, this couldn't have been possible, okay? If you even think about it, even more than 25 years ago, most of the billionaires on the planet were people that were over 50 years old, okay? And now a lot of the billionaires from around the world are actually people from the high-tech internet business models, okay, that started with actually no money at all, and they are billionaires under 30 years old. That's because 30 years ago you needed a lot of money to start a business, and nowadays you actually don't. You can start from scratch with absolutely nothing in a dorm room, exactly like Facebook started, okay? So this is possible because you don't need any upfront financial investment. So it's actually a business model that it's accessible for absolutely anyone from anywhere in the world. This is very important. Now, the multitude of online marketplaces that have appeared in the last 10 to 15 years allow us to profit from different price points for the same products. Why? Because we find marketplaces that are based in India, in China, in Europe, in the United States, in Africa, and throughout all of these different countries and of these markets, there are different price points. Okay, so for example, a product that in the United States it's sold for $15, it's very likely that in Europe can be sold for $20, but in India it's sold for $5, and maybe in Japan it's sold for $25. Okay, and we can easily profit and juggle with these prices, so we can actually take a profit from this. Okay. Now, sourcing products is also easier than ever because of the business-to-business online marketplaces. So if we go 20 years back, it was also very hard to find products, okay, that you can sell. Now it's very, very easy because we have all these business-to-business online marketplaces where we can find suppliers from all around the world, okay? That makes it very, very easy for us to find products that we can sell to clients in different marketplaces. Thank you guys very much for your attention. This was all for this introduction. I'm looking forward to see you in our next video and lecture, which will be very interesting. So stay close and I will see you in our next lecture. Bye bye till then. Sorin here.
Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video and lecture from this class on 3 ways to do money online with arbitrage. We have talked a little bit about arbitrage in our previous lecture and video, and we have spoken about the fact that we will talk about 2 models of business with arbitrage in this course, practically the one with digital products and services and the one with physical products. And right now in this lecture we will talk about physical products arbitrage. We will go into more details and which are the options of business that we have into this type of arbitrage. So let's go on with physical products arbitrage. First of all, we have the first type of physical products arbitrage, which I personally like very much, is business-to-business physical products arbitrage. And let me just give you an example of this type of arbitrage, because it's a little bit different than what we will talk about in this class, but it can be a very lucrative business model. For example, you find a buying lead on a business-to-business online marketplace like ec21.com, which is a Korean online business-to-business marketplace, and you find here a buying lead that wants, for example, to buy 500 shirts per month at X price. You go to Alibaba.com, which is the biggest business-to-business online marketplace in the world, and find a shirt supplier and negotiate a monthly order of 500 shirts at X minus 20% price. What you will practically do in this situation, you will connect the 2 businesses and earn the 20% difference from the price. That means a 20% commission for you, which will be profit for you, which is the big advantage of business-to-business arbitrage, and why I like this business model very, very much is the fact that it can be a monthly recurring income. Okay, why? Because most of the times between businesses they practically have monthly transactions. Why? Because a certain business needs a certain material or a certain supply of something, okay, and practically needs it on a monthly basis to run its business. That means you will have on and on transactions again and again and again, which practically means for you a recurring income if you negotiate your deal right. Okay, now let's go on to the other type of arbitrage with physical products, which is the business to consumer or to client physical products arbitrage. This is practically the type of arbitrage that we will be focusing on in this class, and this is the one that I, in my opinion, suggest you to start with. Okay, and practically we will focus more on business to client online physical products arbitrage, so not practically the classical way. Okay, and the most popular type of arbitrage from the business to clients online sphere is drop shipping. It's by far the most popular. It has an ascending trend in the last couple of years. It's a business model that a lot of people from all around the world are using successfully to generate income. And practically, what does drop shipping mean, or how is it made? You order the products from a supplier, so you find yourself a supplier for a certain product, and your supplier will deliver the order that you make directly to your client, so to your own client that wants to buy that product. So the product never passes through your warehouses, okay, or through your hands or anything like that. You just order the product from your supplier and he will deliver it directly to your client, okay? It's a very lucrative business model. You don't have to get stocks of products. You don't have to build warehouses or to rent warehouses or other things like that, okay? That is the fact that I like the most about this business model. Now, we have two options to do this type of business to client online physical products arbitrage, okay? First one is the fact that you can build your own online marketplace where you will sell your products at your specific price point. You need to be very good at marketing, obviously. It's like building an online store, okay? And after that, you find your own clients for a higher price point than the one at which you are buying the products, and practically you will have a profit margin, okay? But you have to find somewhere those clients, and that's where the marketing part comes in, okay? That's the part where you actually have to be very, very good at. For example, a very popular business model right now, it's creating dropshipping online stores with Shopify, promoting them with Facebook ads. There are people out there which are very skilled in Facebook ads, and they are making actually a couple of $100,000 in profits per month. There are people that are actually at that level and they are marketing on their own. So they have built their own marketplace, their own online store. And just by using Facebook ads, they created a separated marketplace for their products at which they have set up a certain price point. This is the best way to go if you are very skilled at marketing, because you can actually take it to a whole new level and build your own marketplace. The thing we will be focusing on, and the one that anyone in the world can actually start with because you don't need any money, is the fact that you can leverage different online marketplace, okay? This is the business model. Like ebay.com, for example, you can find products on Amazon at a certain price. For example, let's say $15, and on eBay those type of products are sold for $25, okay? You can practically use the Amazon products to sell them on eBay, let's say at $23, and you make a profit of $8, okay? So practically you are leveraging online marketplaces and you profit from the different price points that they have, okay? That's about it, guys, for this lecture. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope that everything is much clearer for you right now, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye till then. Sorin. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next lecture and video from our class 3 ways to make money online with arbitrage. We have talked about so far physical products arbitrage, okay, how to leverage different online marketplaces, buy a product from a place for a cheaper price, sell it on another marketplace for a higher price, and making a profit margin. Right now we are going in a totally different direction. As in what we are selling, we are going for digital products. We are skipping the part with physical products in this lecture. So this is another way of doing arbitrage online, and in my opinion, or let's say in my preference, this one is the best, because when you have digital products, everything it's much more simpler, okay? You don't have to ship anything, you don't have, okay, to see if your product has actually reached your customer and other things like that, because everything is digital. You can send it through the internet. It's actually much more easier in my opinion, but both of the business models are very lucrative. This is just another way for those of you who prefer to sell digital products, okay, who prefer to do arbitrage with digital products. Now let's see exactly what's this digital products arbitrage all about. So let's dive into the information. Now we'll talk, as I've mentioned earlier, about leveraging digital products marketplaces, because exactly like we have products, physical products marketplaces. We also have digital products marketplaces. And for our examples here, but we have different types of digital products marketplaces, we will use Fiverr and SEOclerks.com, which are two online marketplaces for digital services like social media accounts management, logo design, getting traffic to a video, and other types of services like that. So what you need to do is practically the first step, the first thing that you need to consider is the fact that you can and you will use microjobs marketplaces and other digital products marketplaces. So as I've mentioned before, we have Fiverr and we have SEO Clerks, and I will show you in a couple of minutes exactly how to use them, okay, how you can leverage and do arbitrage with these marketplaces. Now, you can sell either digital products like designs, ebooks, logos, promotional videos, or you can sell services like social media accounts management, okay, like I've mentioned before, for example, monthly service of managing your Facebook page, or monthly service of managing your Instagram account, or monthly service of managing your YouTube account, okay? These are just a couple of examples of how you can do that. Now, here is an example. You can use, for example, SEOclerks.com to find microjobs that are only $1 and can be sold on Fiverr for $5. You won't make a fortune out of this, you will only make $4, but if you have 5 or 6 gigs like this and each of them sells like 2 or 3 times per day, you make the math and see exactly how much money you will make, but you'll make at least $35-40 per day, which is a pretty good amount, okay? You can use Fiverr to find people who are creating designs, for example, or portraits, okay, for only $5, and after that sell them on Etsy, which you saw, it's the marketplace for physical products, personalized products, handmade products, but they also sell like designs and other things like that. And you can find on Fiverr a person, a seller that creates a digital design for only $5 and sell them afterwards on Etsy for $20. So you'll make a profit for $15, okay, that it's about $15. What else can you do? You can go on Fiverr, negotiate with sellers that you find there, for example, designers for logo designs or promotional video creators, and you can create an account on freelancer marketplaces like freelancer.com or upwork.com, okay, and practically you can sell those services there for a higher price. And on the other hand, you can practically buy those type of services from Fiverr, from the guy that you found and does a very, very good job, okay? And practically you will earn from this difference of pricing on freelancer and on Fiverr, okay? So this is another example of how to use this. Again, you can find great logo designers on Fiverr and sell logo design services for freelancer or other platforms, exactly the business model that I've mentioned you a couple of seconds ago. Now let me show you exactly how you can use SEO Clerks and Fiverr, because I just gave you that example. Let us go in the browser. Okay, so we have here SEO Clerks and we have here Fiverr. Now if we go, for example, and YouTube views on Fiverr, we will search for YouTube views. Okay, we will find here a lot of sellers for YouTube views. Okay, as you can see here, reviews, they got some reviews, not so many, but they got some reviews. Let's see average customer review, and for example, for this one we have 4K reviews. That's amazing. Okay, that's absolutely great. For this one we have 956. Okay, for this one, promote and rank YouTube video, we have 1K, and so on. Okay, so we have different types of promotional gigs here. Okay, and what we are looking for right now, for example, this one, it's relevant for us, 5,000 YouTube views. Okay, for only $5, we go to SEOclerks.com. And here we can search for YouTube views, okay, and we press the button search, and we are waiting a little bit. And let's see. So we have, okay, 10,000 YouTube views for only $3. So if we are selling this service, we will make a profit of $2. Now let's see what other options we have. 1,000 to 1,500 for only $1. 5,000 for $5. Okay, we have the same price here. This one, it's actually very, very good. 7,000 plus YouTube views for only $2. Here we are actually making $3 in profit. And here's one that is very, very good. 5,000 YouTube views, non-drops, high retention for only $1. So this is absolutely amazing, guys. Here you make $4 in profit. If you sell like 4 like this per day on Fiverr, okay, you will make about $16-17 just like that, okay, just by making an order like that. Very, very simple, okay, just by selling a service that's here for $1 on Fiverr for $5, and you don't actually have to do anything, okay, just to take the order and pass it on, and that's it. So this is a very good example, guys. So after you practically see which are the offerings here for this type of services, you can go here on Fiverr and you create a seller account. You just have to log in with Facebook. Then you will have here an option selling, and you can go to create here a gig, because this is what you need to create. You go and press create a gig and you create the gig here. I will get you 5,000 YouTube views at only $5, okay, and so on. Then you type in the description, everything that you need to type in, and then you start to sell, and that's it, guys. Okay, very, very simple. You will go through all of these steps that you see here. I won't go through all of them right now in this video because it's not the purpose of this video, but I just entered here to show you as an example. And after that, you publish the gig and start selling and start profiting. Very simple, guys. Okay, very, very simple. And I am looking forward to see your success with this. Thank you very much, guys, for your attention. I hope this was helpful. I'm looking forward to hear your feedback about this and see your success with this business model with digital products arbitrage. And I am looking forward to see you in our next video and our next lectures. Bye bye for now. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video and lecture from this class on 3 ways to make money online with arbitrage. We have talked a little bit before about what arbitrage means. We have talked about physical products arbitrage in general, which are the options that we have. And we have talked about the fact that we will focus on leveraging online marketplaces in this particular class. So let's talk more about actually how we can leverage online marketplaces and which is the step-by-step process that you need to follow in order to be able to do that. And it's quite a simple process, but you need to follow the steps so you can actually end up applying all the process and have listings, selling products, making sales, and then turning them into profits and so on. So the first step that you need to make obviously is to create your accounts on the online marketplaces you want to leverage. And I have some specifications here. There can be online marketplaces that are local marketplaces, for example in your country where you live, or there can be global marketplaces like Amazon or eBay or AliExpress and so on. I would recommend you to start with ebay.com because it's the best marketplace for arbitrage and dropshipping at a global level right now, okay? Not to mention the fact that you can actually access a very, very big database of consumers that they have in the United States, which is one of the countries where people spend the most in the world, okay? That's why it's a big advantage to start with eBay, because you have a huge marketplace with a very big database of consumers and with practically very good buying habits and a big buying power too, okay? Now, the second step would be that you need to create your eBay account and configure your seller account. On ebay.com you will have a seller account, and I will show you exactly how to do that, okay? How your seller account should look like and how it should be configured. Then the first step would be the fact that a lot of products you will list on eBay can be found and ordered on Amazon.com. And I recommend you to start with Amazon till you get some experience with the business model. So you will also need to create an Amazon account, okay? So practically the third step, if you want to call it so, is to create your buyer account on the other marketplaces from which you want to order your products and drop ship them directly to your client. Okay, that would be the third step. Now the fourth step, or the fourth point, is other places, is to find other places where you can get your products from. Okay, for example, if you are living in the United States, it would be very good if you would look for other online stores like homedepot.com, bestbuy.com, kmart.com, walmart.com, and so on. Why? Because you can find your products at better prices than on Amazon. And also on some of the stores that have loyalty programs, you can create your own account, you can create your own loyalty card, okay, and you can earn more money. Okay, you can have a higher margin of profit because you are practically earning points for each order that you make. You can get special discounts for some products, and that can turn for you into an extra couple of $100 every single month, okay, which are very good money, of course. Now my recommendation and sixth point, okay, or sixth step from our process, is to always look for new sources from where to buy the products. Okay, you always find new online stores, new online marketplaces, look for new opportunities. Okay, maybe you can find a best-selling product that you have in a different place at a better price, and you can increase your margin profits, or at a better loyalty program and other things like that. Okay, so always be open to new opportunities, seek out these opportunities, and you will be able by doing so to increase your profit margin. Thank you very much, guys, for your attention. I hope this lecture was helpful for you, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye for now. Sorin. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video and lecture from our class, 3 ways to make money online with arbitrage. We have talked about up till this point arbitrage, the general definition of arbitrage, an introduction to physical products arbitrage, how we can do it, how we can leverage different online marketplaces, which are the options that we have, which is the process that we need to go through in order to start selling online and making profits from physical products arbitrage. And now we will go a little bit in a different direction, also with physical products arbitrage, but we will use a different type of marketplaces, and we will talk about that in a minute. Let me just change the slide for you. So we will talk about leveraging platforms like Fiverr and Etsy or Store Envy. Now, for those of you who don't know what Fiverr is, it's an online marketplace for freelancers or other product or service designers or merchants that are practically selling their services or products for as low as $5. So everything that you will find out there on Fiverr, products, services, everything starts from only $5. Now on Etsy and on storeenvy.com, there are a lot of sellers and people that are looking for products which are handmade or personalized or other things like that. What we will leverage in this case is the designers that we find on Fiverr, for example, or the creators of, let's say, homemade earrings, and we will practically sell them on Etsy for a higher price, because on Etsy, one of the, let's say, hot products at this moment is anything related to homemade products, okay? So practically we can find a supplier of homemade earrings on Fiverr which sells them for only $5, and after that post them on Etsy, let's say for $25 or $30, okay? And our profit will be that margin of $20 or $25. It's the same thing for storeenvy.com. So which are the steps that you need to follow in order to start doing arbitrage on this model, okay, by following this model? Well, first of all, you need to create your accounts as a buyer on Fiverr or on other platforms which are offering services similar to Fiverr, because there are other platforms like that out there. You can search for them on Google, but Fiverr is the biggest one and the most trustable in my opinion. Now, after you do that, you go and create a seller account on Etsy.com and storeenvy.com. It depends on which one of them you want to sell your products, but if it would be for me, I would start with Etsy.com, and I will show you in a couple of seconds how you can actually do that. After that, you need to know that you will sell mostly handmade and personalized products, because this is the niche for Etsy.com, like handmade earrings, the example that I just gave you before, and personalized mugs. Identify your purpose here, okay, from the beginning. In order to profit from this is to identify top selling products on Etsy.com and StoreEnvy.com and find a good supplier for them at a cheaper price on Fiverr.com. Now let me show you an example of how we can do that right away, okay? Just wait with me a couple of seconds. So we can go to our browser, okay? So right now we are on Fiverr.com, as you can see here in my browser, and here we are on Etsy.com, which is the platform where you will sell your services. So if we go to Fiverr.com and, for example, we look for personalized mug, okay, we are searching for that, we will find some things here. Okay, I will make personalized monogrammed mugs. I will make you a personalized mug, for example. Okay, so this is an example. Now let's see how much this costs. Okay, ordering process, custom mug specs. Okay, so add your item, file types. Okay. Okay, so here is a gig for personalized mugs. Now what we will do right now, this is only $5, guys. Okay, so I will make your personalized mug for only $5. You go to Etsy.com, search for personalized mugs, press search, and here we go. So if we take a look here, the cheapest one is $14. So even if you go for the cheapest price, you will still make around $8 profit, which is more than 200%. Okay, then we have other products, $49, $18, $14, $27. These are two. $8 again, but this one is very simple. Even for this one you make a profit. Okay, you make $3, $16, but each of these products sell, guys. That's what's important. So this is one of the examples. Now what you can also do, for example, we talked about homemade earrings. Let's see if we find them here. I don't think I've written well. Okay, I don't find the homemade earrings. Let's see if I find them like this. Yeah, so I will make you a cute ear cuff. Okay, so I will make you a pair of cute angel earrings. So here we have examples of different types of earrings. I will make wire wrapped earrings, gem crystals. I will make you elegant copper wire wrap earrings. This one are actually pretty cool. Okay, and let's see, elegant copper wire wrap earrings. We take this key phrase, we paste it into Etsy.com, and let's see for how much are these selling. So here you can see that it creates them for, this seller creates them and sells them for only $5, and here we have them at $45, $15, the cheapest, the simplest model of them all. But all of those that also have semi-precious stones or other things like that are going well past over $25, as you can see. Okay, so here you can make a return on investment of over 400, even 500%, which is actually pretty cool. So you buy something for $5 and you sell it for $35, you make a $40 profit like that. Even if you sell 2 or 3 pairs like this per day, it's actually a great business and lucrative business model, guys. So this is how it's done. After you find here your seller, you negotiate with this seller. Okay, you talk to this seller, ask him all the conditions, all you need to know about the products. How does the shipment it's made? Okay, how does if it takes any money? Okay, how much money is the shipment? In what countries does the seller ship, and so on. And after you have everything figured out, you can go on Etsy.com. You go to sell on Etsy, create your account, and after that create your listing with the earrings or the mugs or whatever you want to sell here. Okay guys, thank you very much for your attention. I hope this was helpful for you, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye till then. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next lecture and video from this class, 3 ways to make money online with arbitrage. We have talked about physical products arbitrage. We had an introduction into arbitrage. We have talked about how to leverage different online marketplaces, which is the process that you should go through in order to start to make sales and profits and to actually get this type of business going. And right now I want to give out some tips, okay, for using eBay as an online marketplace, as an online seller, because probably you will start with ebay.com, this type of business, and you should know these things when you start out because it will help you to maximize your results and actually get results as fast as you possibly can. So let's dive into the actual information. So tips for eBay sellers. The first tip would be start with low priced products that sell fast so you can build a good reputation and increase your seller limits. You will see that you have, when you start out on eBay, you will have some seller limits, and practically you want to increase those limits from month to month to month so you can list more products in your online store and you can start to sell more at a higher value. Okay, but first of all, in order to get you going and get some traction with your eBay store, to say so, you need to find very low priced products, but I wouldn't recommend you under $10 or even under $20, okay, but to be lower priced products so you can sell them fast. Okay, you need to have cash flow very fast. When you start, you can sell products in total value of maximum $500. So this is in direct relationship with what we have talked earlier. Okay, so go for the products ranged anywhere between $20 and $50. Okay, because if you go for example for a product that it's less than $10 or $15, your profit margin will be very small, and actually you will make very little money on that product. Okay, be sure that you can add a margin of at least 40% to sell a product so you can actually earn money. Why is that? Because you will have some eBay fees for each product that you list, okay, that you need to pay to eBay for listing your product and selling that product into their marketplace. You will also have transportation or shipping for some of them, and with a 40% practically profit margin, you can make money, pay your fees and pay your taxes and still have a very good profit, net profit. Okay, that is the thing that it's of interest for you, because you are actually building a business. You want to earn money from this, so do not go for less than 40%. Now, other tips: always check your rating status. It's very important to obtain and maintain a top seller status. You will see, and I will show you an example, okay, in our next video, that people who actually have stores that are rated as top sellers will even be able to sell a product at a higher price point than everybody else. Why? Because just by the fact of being a top seller, they will build much more credibility in front of potential customers. So people will look at them with trust, and they will be much more likely to buy from that top seller than from an usual seller which has maybe a reputation that is not as good as the top seller's reputation. Okay, if you have done everything right from your first month and sold up to your seller limit, so you have passed that 500 practically turnover point, you can ask for the seller increase directly to eBay. You can even call to them. You can tell them, okay, look, I have passed my limits. I'm okay with all the orders. Can you please check out and increase my limits, because I want to add new products and I want to sell more, because it's also in their interest for their sellers to be able to sell more, because that's how they earn money, okay, from the fees that they get on the listings and on the product sales. Okay, so keep all these tips in mind, guys, apply them, and you will see you will get very good results with them. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye for now, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye again. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next lecture and video from this course. In this lecture and video, I will show you how you can find products that you can post on eBay or on other marketplaces to do drop shipping on them, how to find good products that actually sell. And for this we will have actually two methods that we will discuss about. The first one is to look into the actual marketplace where you want to post your product for selling. That means in this case on eBay, to look for the products that are actually sold, and we will discuss a little bit more about this in detail after I tell you which is the second method, which is to do a type of reverse marketing. So to look into the marketplace where you will actually find the product that you will post on eBay for best-selling products or products that are hot or on the trend or just appear and they sell very good, and on which you don't have too much competition on eBay. And before, in a different lecture, I just gave you an example on Amazon with this silicone burger press, because if you look on for burger presses on eBay, you will find only this type of burger press, or this type right here. Okay, you won't find this type of burger press, which is a silicone burger press for more meat rolls, to say so. Okay, and this one, it's not yet posted on eBay. But how did I find this burger press? Not on eBay. I came on Amazon.com and I went in the home and kitchen department, okay, in the kitchen and dining, and I looked for best-selling products, and I went through all the pages and I found this type of product. Okay, now let me show you an example. So you just go to departments, home and garden tools, kitchen and dining. You press on this button here. So this is for the second method, guys. This is practically a sort of reverse marketing technique, okay? And you go here and you will have here best sellers. Okay, you go to best sellers and then you can see everything in detail. Okay, all the best selling products in this section of home and kitchen. And you take them page by page. Okay, see if you find any product that, I don't know, that you seem to like, okay, and then search for it on eBay to see what competition you have. And if you don't find anything on the first page, you can go even deeper to see the best sellers. For example, in bakeware, in bar and tools, in kitchen and table linens. For example, we go in kitchen and table linens, and we have even more here. We can go even deeper into aprons. I'm just giving you an example, and we see the best sellers in aprons. Okay, so which are the chances for someone, okay, to have the product here, to have the product that you will find here posted on eBay for sale. Okay, there is a chance, but there is more likely for you to find a better product here as the deeper you go, okay, into the categories, than to find on the first page a product that sells. And that's practically how I found the burger press that I've just showed you before. Okay, and this is how you can find the aprons. Now let me show you the first method, which is to go in the actual marketplace on eBay to see which are the best sellers. For example, right now we are on ebay.com, and we can go in the home and garden section. Let's just press home and garden, and we will have here more options: bath, bedding, home decor, home improvement, kitchen dining, which we can go to kitchen dining and bar, and we can go to bakeware. Okay, and we just went to bakeware, and what we will do here is, first of all, go here and show only sold listings. That's once, to see what sells. Okay, and then we will have sort and rated. No. All this first. No, view. Okay, and price shipping. We can sort after price shipping, which would be a good idea, but we have already spotted, okay, sold listings, completed listings, free international shipping. Also, we can go for this one, delivery options, free international shipping. And we can select a certain price range, and we will go for $10 to $50. And all listings, okay, size, condition, new. Okay, we are interested only in new. And that's about it. Material, brand, type, color, no. This is what's important for us, okay? That's about it, guys. We can go even further, okay, to see here which is the material, which is the format, and so on. But I think this is enough to see exactly which are the top sellers, okay, which are the listings that we are looking for, the prices, okay. The prices, it didn't took the prices from 10 to $50. Actually, let's put 20 and let's see right now. Okay, and that's about it, guys. Okay, so if we go to complete listings, we can see things that actually have been sold. Okay, this is very important. We can see things that actually have been sold. So guys, this is how you find good products on eBay, okay, that are actually sold. You can see which is the competition on them, and afterwards you can look for them on Amazon or on other online stores or in local stores or wherever you want to source your product, so you can have a very good profit margin. Now, thank you very much, guys. I hope this was helpful for you, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye for now. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our lecture and video from this course. In this video we'll talk about how to create and set up your eBay account. So right now we are on ebay.com. It's actually very simple to do that, so do not panic. It's actually very easy, but I want you to have an overview of the process by having like an over shoulder view at what exactly I am doing, so you can do exactly the same thing for your own account. So right now I will create a new account. I will go here and press the button register. You see you have two options: sign in, which is for users that already have accounts, and register, which is for new users. So we'll press the button register because we want to create a new account. We will type in our email address that we want to use. Okay, just a second. Then we will create a password. So I think it's okay right now. Then we have to put our first name and last name. Okay. Then our telephone number, because we will get a PIN code from them. Okay, just a second. Let's see. Hey, I can't find. Just a second, guys. So here it was. We passed it, Romania. Okay, so let's type my telephone number right now, and we'll press button register. Okay, and now we wait. Do you want Google? Okay. Nope, we don't want to save it. Customize your username. Why is very important? This is a very important setting here, to customize your username, and we will discuss about it at this point. It's not such an important setting from the standing point of a buyer, of you as a buyer, but it's more important from the standing point of you as a seller. We are talking about credibility here. So people react in a very interesting way when they are seeing different types of username, and practically when they will see a username that is more professional, obviously it will be more trustworthy in front of them, and they will be more likely to buy from that seller in the detriment of another seller. So you should take care of this from the beginning. Set up a username that it's catchy, it's easy to remember, it sounds professional, and it's trustworthy. Okay, so for example, because you will be selling different types of products, you can do something with professional deals, or for example, I have on one of my accounts smart deals. So you can juggle with different type of words like this, but it needs to sound somehow professional and to send out the message that you are selling different things at very good prices, and you are also trustworthy in the same time. Okay, so I hope all of this makes sense for you guys, but I think you got the idea mainly. Okay, so right now let's get back to our account. We will press the button continue, and we are now having an account, and we are logged into our account here on eBay. Now what you will do right now, because we are again on the front page, but the difference right now is that we are logged into our new account, we will go to my eBay, and we will go here to the option selling, and we will press this option, okay, selling. Okay, so after we have pressed the selling option, now we are into our seller dashboard, into our seller account, and we have created our account on eBay. Now, thank you very much guys for your attention, and I will see you in our next video and lecture where I will show you exactly how you need to set up your account in order to maximize your sales and profits, and to avoid making different types of mistakes that can actually cost you money and time, and you don't want to make them. Thank you very much again for your attention guys, and I will see you into our next lecture. Bye bye till then. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next lecture and video from this course. You have seen in the previous lectures and videos how to set up your eBay account. It's actually very easy. Now let me show you some things that you can create in your eBay account, that you can set up as options, as preferences into your seller dashboard and eBay account, so you can practically maximize your sales and also avoid some mistakes that would cost you a lot of time and also can cost you a lot of money. So let's dive in the information. So right now I'm logged into my account. This is the previous last part that you also have seen in the previous video. So we are logged into our account. Now if we go here with our mouse over this option, the account option, we will have an option here, seller dashboard, a button. Okay, it's like a drop down menu. We press this button, seller dashboard, and for me it redirected me here into this seller dashboard. So right now if you will press this button here, seller dashboard, okay, and after that you will go here to seller account, it will redirect you to this page. Okay, so some of your information is not available at this time, please try again later. Your account has not been created, so your eBay account has not been activated yet. Why? Because you don't have a debit or credit card that has been posted to the account. So first things first, you need to add a debit or credit card to your account, okay? And also confirm your PayPal account, which you will do by going here at this option in the menu. Sorry, not this one. Let's go back. Okay, PayPal account. So new to PayPal or already have a PayPal account. Now it's your option. You can use your already existing PayPal account. I guess you probably have an existing PayPal account to buy and sell stuff online. And if not, you can practically go and sign up for a PayPal account directly from here. Okay. And after you will have all of these options set up, I will show you exactly which are the options that you need to set up on certain specifics so you can maximize your sales and practically avoid making any mistakes that would cost you money and time, as I've told you before. Thank you very much guys. So keep in mind, you need to add the credit and debit card so your account can be actually created and confirmed, and also create the PayPal account if you do not have one, or link your actual PayPal account here if you have one. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you in our next video and lecture. Bye bye for now. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our new lecture and video from this course. I showed you before how you need to set up your seller account, okay, how to create your seller account and what you need to confirm your seller account. After you have added your debit or credit card and PayPal and have confirmed your seller account, you can go back into your seller dashboard. You will have again these options here, and if you go to the account option, you will get again the menu here in the left side of the screen. Now what you will do, and what is interesting right now, because you need to set up those specifics so you can maximize your sales and avoid those mistakes I was telling you about, you go here to the site preferences button, and here you need to set up some things, okay? And let's start from the beginning. First of all, you will have setting preferences, okay? Sell your item form and listings. Show the exact quantity of items in your listing if the quantity exceeds 10. Yes. Why will you set up yes here? Okay, you add it if you have the no option and practically change it to yes. Just a second. Why do you want to show? Because most of the time, at least in the beginning, because of the limits that your seller account has, you will only have one item in stock that you sell, okay? Again, because of this reason, you will also use the out of stock option, okay? Why? Because if you have an item in stock and your item gets sold, you will practically need to redo your listing, okay, to recreate your listing, and you will need to pay your eBay fees again for your listing, okay? And you don't want to do that. You don't want to, because you will have some eBay fees for each listing that you create. It's around 20 cents, okay? And practically you don't want to do that for your listing that just got sold, okay? You just have the out of stock option, and then you practically take it out of stock and your listing will appear again, okay? Then you will have payment from buyers. Show this option here. Use checkout, yes. Offer PayPal. This is very important. If you have it set it up to no, change it and change it to yes. Display PayPal preferred on my listings. If you have set this up to no, change it to yes. Accept credit, okay, for me it's no. Include my items when buyers pay all their sellers at once using PayPal, yes, this is an option. Use this payment address, okay. Use sales tax table, no. This one it's no. Then we will have shipping preferences, okay. What is very important here, we have the offer the global shipping program. You should change this option to yes, because in the beginning by default it's set on no. You should change it on yes. What does this mean? You will have a lot of buyers for your products that are from other countries than the United States, okay? You won't be able practically from let's say from Amazon directly, or from I don't know, if you buy from a local store something, to drop ship it directly to them, okay? What you will do, you will send practically and eBay will actually do this for free. You won't send the product directly to that client who maybe it's in another country somewhere, maybe in Europe or Asia, okay? You practically will send your product, your order to eBay, which has a warehouse I think in Kentucky right now. So you will practically send the order to their central warehouse, and after that they will take care of all and send your package or order to the client in whatever country he is, okay? And if you don't check this on yes, you will lose a lot of sales that come from other countries, because there are people from other countries. There are sellers who have even up to 50% of the whole sales that they make in a month from people who live outside the United States and in different countries. So you can lose a lot of sales and a lot of profits. So don't forget about this. Offer the global shipping program. Check this yes, okay? And you can find out more about this if you press the button edit. You can see here, okay? You will find different options. You can opt out, but I won't opt right now. Okay, submit, I will press cancel, but you can find different options here about this program, okay? So after we have set this up, we leave it like that, okay? The rest need to be set on no. Exclude shipping locations from my listings, yes. And let's see what shipping locations you should use. Okay, you should exclude, sorry. So exclude shipping locations, select the regions or countries you don't ship to, domestic, Alaska, US protectorates, and you should check all of this. So you exclude the shipping locations. If any user of eBay from these locations want to buy your product, they won't be able to do so. Why? Because the procedure here, it's a little bit more complicated, and you don't want to have that on your mind at this moment. Now let's go back. So we have set this up. Preferences, share your photos, nope. Logos and branding, buyer requirements, manage communications, yes. Send eBay purchase reminder email to buyers. You should check this on yes if you don't have it checked on yes. Just a second, guys, because it took me out. So promoting, okay, have been moved to marketing tools. Share your photos, no's. Buyer requirements, manage unpaid item assistant. This is very important, guys, okay? This is a very important option, unpaid item assistant. Let eBay open and close unpaid item cases for you automatically. Yes, cases open 4 days after item ends. So there will be people that will actually buy your product, but they won't pay for it. And in that case, instead of you asking for refunds all the time, okay, and taking a lot of your time and energy on doing so, you let practically eBay to handle these cases when actually people don't pay their products. So what eBay will actually do, they will remind to those people in 4 days that they need to pay their product, and if they don't, they automatically refund, they automatically cancel their order, okay, and they will make all the refunds and everything necessary, and that's it, okay. So that's about it, guys. Then we have general preferences, reviews, and guides show. So hide your reviews. No, you need to leave it like this. You want people to actually see your reviews. Actually, this is a very important part of what you can do as marketing on eBay. It's very important to have good reviews for your product and to be a top seller, okay, because people are actually looking at that and you are more credible and trustworthy in front of them. And that's about it, guys. These are all the options that you need to set up in the beginning, okay, in order to maximize your sales, to be able to maximize your sales and avoid some time consuming errors or tasks, and also cost consuming errors and tasks. So guys, this was all. Set up your account like this and you will have better results, you will see, and you will optimize your work process very, very much. Thank you very much again for your attention. I hope this was helpful again, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video where I will show you how you can create a listing. Thank you very much again, guys. Bye bye for now. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next lecture and video. Right now in this lecture and video I will show you how to create a new listing, okay, how to practically put your first product out there for sale on eBay. We are right now into our eBay dashboard, okay, into the selling account, so my eBay all selling. As I've specified and told you before, you in the beginning when you set up a new account you will have a monthly selling limit, so you have up to 10 items and up to $500 per month, whichever comes first, okay, so you will have these limits. After you pass these limits, or if you practically pass them very, very quickly, you can request higher selling limits, okay. You can even call eBay and tell them, okay, look, sales are going very well, I need you to increase my selling limits because I make sales, I make the orders and everything is okay, okay. So you also can have a look at this, how selling limits work, so you can have an overview of exactly how these limits are put out there and which is the purpose of them. But the idea is that in the beginning, that's why I've told you that for every listing that you make, you will put only one product in stock, okay, because you don't have so many listings and you don't have such a big value, okay. And you will also choose products that are maximum that you will sell for maximum $50, okay, maximum. So why? Because you also need to sell them very, very fast. Now what you will do at this point, so after you have set up everything into your account, you will go here and you will have an option, sell an item. You will press this option, and for the sake of this example we will go to Amazon.com and I will look for something which is called burger press in all departments, and we have different options here. And from what I've checked on eBay and Amazon, it's a good place for you to check out new products that aren't already sold by other sellers there on eBay. For example, what you will find on eBay is this type of press, but you won't find this type of press, okay, or this type, silicone burger press. So what I will do is go here on the silicone burger press, okay. First things first, I need to give it a name. I will just give it a name so I can create the listing. I press the button get started. Now what's very important is the fact that you can go to a site which is called titlebuilder.com, and here you will press title builder and describe your item into 4 keywords. I will copy paste silicone burger press here, and it will give me some ideas of keywords that I can use to optimize my listing, okay. And here we will see some things, okay. Search barbecue, grill, so people are searching these things. And then we have extra, burger press, silicone, okay. So I need to use all of these keywords, or as much as possible from them, okay, in order to create a listing and the title that it's optimized and gets in front of people. So when people will search actually for something, for any of these keywords, I have bigger chances that my product appears in front of their in their eyes, okay, in their searches, if I will use these keywords there and optimize the listing properly, okay? So whenever I want to create my title, I will come here to title builder. I will copy paste what's important for that product, okay, silicone burger press, and I can see everything that people are looking for related to this, okay? So we have barbecue, grill, burger press, silicone, okay? So I will use some of these things, okay, to create my title. So right now we will have silicone burger press for barbecue and grill, because these are things that people are looking for, okay? Then we'll have search categories, and we already have some things, okay, that are suggested to us, recommended to us, and they are actually good. So we have home and garden, kitchen, dining, burger press, yard, okay, and that's about it. Now we will press the button continue, and we wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and now we are at the next step. So we have our title, we have our categories, condition, okay, new, okay, the item is new, we have to select this, add photos. So the recommendation is, because I see a lot of people are practically adding only one photo to their listing, is to add at least 2 photos. And also the titles of those photos, when you save them to your computer and upload them here, should be optimized. For example, one photo should be called, okay, it should have the name silicone burger press 1, and the other can have barbecue grill silicone burger press. I give you an example, only if you upload 2 of them, and the recommendation is to upload at least 2 of them, as I've told you, okay? So edit your photos. You have to practically keep in mind that you have some dimensions that you need to look for when you upload your photos. So you need to have your photos at least 600 pixels or with 400 pixels or something like that, okay, when you upload them. Then you will have add item specifics, okay, UPC, enter UPC. Which is UPC? It's like a code, okay, a barcode. Now what you will do is go here, and you will have the ASIN number, okay, and you will paste this one here. So this ASIN number you will paste here, okay. Then you will have the type, barbecue, okay, apron, no, this is not for you. The brand, if you have any brand for this, and you type in the brand, if it's a brand or not, okay. Just say silicone burger press by Silico, okay. So the brand is Silico, okay. The manufacturer does not apply. Here you have to press this does not apply, okay. Then you have color, model, if you have any model, country, region of manufacture. You can put China, probably it's made in China, okay. I can't find it, China. Okay, cancel, add your own item. Okay, if you want to add other things, types, okay, details, then you will have details, and in the details section here you will copy these things here, okay, the details that you see here. And also if you have other details here, try to optimize this with the keywords that you have here in the title builder, okay. So check the details before and try to integrate these keywords in the description of your product that you create here, and practically you will only copy the details from here and from here if you can, in this part here in the details, and that's about it. Then you will have choose a format price, fixed price. Remember to put at least 40% over the selling price that you have here on Amazon, which is actually $25, so probably it will be like $36.99, something like that, okay. Allow buyers to send you their best offers, nope, you check this off, okay. eBay for charity, you can donate some of your fees here, okay. Donation percentage if you want to. I do not wish to donate at this time. You don't wish to donate at this time. Select how you will be paid, okay. PayPal, and that's all, okay. Require immediate payment, okay. Yes, okay, this is correct. Add shipping details, US shipping, okay. So you will probably have UPS ground 1 to 6. Okay, and for this type of item, as you can see here, I think we have free shipping, which is kind of cool, but you need to look for that. Okay, ship to, yes, I want free to. Okay, you have free shipping for this. It's $24 and free shipping. Okay, so you can add free shipping for this. And UPS ground, yeah, I think this is okay. So this is the standard services. Check one of the standard services. You can do standard shipping, free shipping, handling time 2 business days. Okay, you don't want to put 1 because it's too small time. You don't want to put 3 business day because it's a too long time. Sell globally, yes. And then you will have package type, okay, dimensions. Then you will have to look here in your listing to see which are the packages dimensions. Okay, product dimensions, shipping weight. Okay, so here are the things that you need to copy and put in there. Okay, so you will have to go here and press 11. Okay, the weight or less. Okay, 1 lb or less. Okay, yeah, it's 16 hours. Item location. So practically when you will add your first listing here, you won't have an address. You need to write in a address for the United States of America. Okay, it doesn't matter which is the address. You need to type here an address for the a real address for the United States of America. It doesn't matter what address it is, but you need to put that here. Okay, so you practically have the location of the item, and that's about it. Add other details. So you don't need to add any details here, and your fees so far, and that's about it. Okay, now which is the next step is press button continue. Okay, description, I didn't press the description, I didn't have the pictures, so these are the things that I didn't add to this example. But after you add the description and pictures, you go press the button continue. Okay, and your listing will go live, and that's it, guys. So after that, your listing will go live and you will start to make views for your listing. People will start to watch it, and after that you can actually make sales. You will have your first product live for selling on eBay. So congratulations for you guys. Now your fees for the listing so far, because you will have that here, are these ones. Okay, 0.46 dollars. That means 36 cents actually. So you will have to pay these fees, but not right now on the spot to say so. Okay, but that's the fees of eBay for your listing, and that's about it, guys. Okay, it's actually very, very simple. After that, you will have your first product live and selling on eBay. So congratulations for you. Thank you very much, guys, for your attention. I hope this was helpful for you, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video and lecture, where I will show you exactly how you can find good products to sell on eBay or through other marketplaces through dropshipping. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next lecture. Bye bye for now. Sorin. Hello guys, and thank you very much for joining me in this short series where I will show you how you can use Gearbubble, a very popular website platform, to generate an online income, to build an online business out of creating different types of designs and selling them on different types of products like coffee mugs, t-shirts, necklaces, and other type of products like that. Obviously, you might think at first sight that this type of business or model of business is dedicated to designers, but that's not true. Anyone can do this type of business, because even if you are not a designer, you can work with someone who is a designer. You can take care of the marketing part, or you can hire someone to create the designs for you, or buy the designs already created. So there are different ways of doing this business. Now, first things first, I want to get you introduced into the actual platform to see how it works. Basically, let's say that you have a couple of very cool designs, bought, created by yourself, created by your partner, it doesn't matter. What you can do is use those designs to sell them through this platform. Basically, on the platform, you will automatically apply the designs on t-shirts, on coffee mugs, exactly like I've told you earlier, and you just have to upload the design. They will do all the shipment, the fulfillment part for you. They take care of the orders, of the logistics and everything. You just have to take care to have a cool design, and to promote the actual product that you want to sell. Okay, so first things first, let me show you exactly how you can create an account on this platform. So the platform is called gearbubble.com, and you will see that there are different spins that you can take for this business. Okay, there are different ways of doing this business, but let's first of all create the actual the actual account that you'll need in order to be able to sell this stuff. Okay, so go to gearbubble.com. You will have some options here. For me, it's as you can see, I've just signed out because I was already logged into the platform. You will have an option to get started. Okay, start selling your own products today. So you will create an account for free on their platform. I won't take you through the account creation part because it's actually very easy. So it's nothing that you have to worry about. Okay, it's just a couple of fields to fill in, which are personal information, email address, password, name, and that's about it. And after you have created your account and confirmed it from your email address, you come back to the platform on gearbubble.com. You will have an option here, login. I will press the login button. That's what you will have to do as well. And you can see that I already have my information here remembered by my browser. I will check this option, remember me, so that the next time I don't have to log in again. I will be already logged in when I enter on the platform. And what I want to do right now is press on the login now button, and basically here it is, my dashboard. I've just logged into my account. Okay, so this is the dashboard. It's actually very simple. You see that you have some options here. Basically this is your menu: get paid, stores, invites, discounts, reports, affiliate dash, launch campaign. Basically what's very cool about the platform is that you also have this affiliate dash option. So it allows you to sell your products through affiliates, so to give out affiliate commissions, okay, to people who are promoting your products. In my opinion, this is one of the best way that you can use to promote products, because basically you don't have to pay for traffic, and for traffic that you don't know that will actually convert. You are only paying for traffic that sells. Okay, so that's why affiliate marketing, in my opinion, it's one of the best way to go in any type of business. Then you'll see that you have this option here, stores, and I won't go into a lot of detail with that, because in order to be able to access this stores part, okay, for you to be able to create a store on Gearbubble, you need to have at least 3 products live. And how do you put a product live out there? Where first of all, you have to launch a campaign. Basically a campaign is adding your first product here on the platform to be able to sell it. Okay, so let's see how we can add our first product. Okay, first of all, we go to the launch campaign, we click on this, we have some options: traditional, couple, club, stack, store. We want to go for the traditional one. Okay, and here it is. So the first thing that we have to do is to select our product. Okay, you can see that this is a 3-step process. Select your product, create your design, and add a description. So you can see all the types of products that we have here. We have coffee mug, necklace, bracelet, shirt or hoodie, phone case, hat, beanie, pillowcase, poster all over, and leggings, which is actually pretty cool. So we have like the 11 products, 11 products from which we can choose. So we can use the same design to sell on 11 different products, which can be very profitable, obviously, right? But some of you guys maybe just want to do designs for coffee mugs, some just for shirts, some of you maybe just for beanies or for leggings. I don't know, for example, I've never tested leggings, but I think it can be pretty profitable and cool. Okay, but I will just go for this example with the first option that we have with the coffee mug, right? So I will click on the coffee mug, and I will press the next step button here, and here we go. We are into our next step, okay, from the process. You can see that we have a button here, upload design. Basically you have to click here. You already have to have your design ready, already created, in order to be able to put it on the coffee mug. Okay, you can see your design when you apply it like this, or you can check this point here, use full wrap image, so you can see basically how your design will come on the whole coffee mug. You can see that this area here is the center of the mug. Okay, why? Because it's round, the mug is round, so you cannot see how the design comes only if it's in this wrap mode, okay? But I like to see it like this. But anyway, if you just want a simple design that it's applied on one side, that's okay. If you want to see the whole image, just use the full wrap image, right? Then after you upload your design, and I will just upload something for the test, you have to choose the default style. So you have to choose the type of mark that you want to use, okay? And you'll see that you have like four options here, okay? This one is the small one, the variation, the metallic variation of this one, and you also have the color changing mark. So basically the color changing mark is that type of mark which when you pour hot drink into it, hot water or something, okay, because of the temperature, you will actually be able to see the design. Otherwise it will be black, okay? So when the mug it's empty without any hot drink in it, okay, it will be black. Or when it has cold drink in it, it will be black. But when it has a hot drink like coffee, tea or something, it will become white and allows you to see the actual design, right? So this can be something very interesting, but I will go for the normal one right now. And after that we have to choose the color. So we have the default color. We can see that we can add other colors as well. We have white and black. Let's go for add color, click color to remove, okay, add color. No, so basically for this type of product we have only these two colors, okay, black and white. Now let me show you how the design looks like if you upload a design on it. So let's upload our graphic. You can see that you have some requirements here, like maximum file size, file types, full wrapped image dimensions. Each dimension background must be transparent, logical, okay? So take in consideration these requirements, especially the file size and the file type. And I will just click on this button, upload graphic. I will look for cat. I know that I have downloaded the PNG icon with a cat, so this is it. I don't know if anyone would buy this, but this is just for the example. Okay, so this is our design and this is how it looks on the actual mug. Okay, now we can play around with the design. I mean, we can move it, okay, wherever we want, but we want it in center. Okay, we can rotate it if we want to. As you can see, you just have to go with your cursor over the image and you have all of these options, right? You can resize it. You just have to click here on the small icon and hold the click pressed, okay, and drag and drop to change the size. So I think this is a good size for this, okay. We can center it, okay, and that's about it. So this is how it will look, okay. This is how our mug will look with the icon on it. Then you can see that the next option that you have is the base cost. So here is basically the price at which you sell, and here you can see the profit that you make for every sale, okay. Now what you want to do probably is you want to check out the marketplaces out there, okay, where people buy coffee mugs like the one you want to sell, and see which is the average price and go probably for that price, or even a little bit below. Or if you sell something that is similar to other products, you have to go for the same price or a little bit lower. If you sell something that has something unique, and that's how it's recommended, you can go for a little bit higher, but not too much. Okay, I don't know, for example, if a coffee mug sells for $19.95, I think it's a little bit much. I would sell it, for example, for $9.95 or $11.95. And I think that $7 for a coffee mug, it's more than enough in profit. I mean, if you sell like 5 discs every day, it's more than enough in profit for a single model that you have of coffee mug, right? Then you can also give your design layer a name, so you can save it for the future. You can also add a text layer to the design if you want to, or another photo layer, but I don't want to. I just want to leave it like this, okay? You can also duplicate the image on the back, sorry. That means that on the other side of the coffee mug, you will have the image, the same image put again, okay? And when you are done with everything, you just have to press next step. Okay, so we'll press next step. And bear with me for a couple of seconds till the whole campaign loads, till the app loads actually. So this is how the coffee mug will look like. Pretty nice, right? You have to give your campaign a title. Be sure that you give a good title to your campaign, an attractive title, because this is what your customers are going to see, or potential customers. Okay, like super cool cool, limited edition cat coffee mug, okay, something like that. And that's it. Then you have the description, okay. The description field, it's already populated by them, but you can add your own things in here, your own details, like the coffee mug dimensions, okay, the details about the design and stuff like that if you want to, okay, like how many pieces are available. You can add scarcity in your description and other things like that, so it's your option, obviously. And after you are done with the description, you have to choose a category for your product, which is, by the way, optional, but it's recommended. At least I recommend you to do so. And we will choose animals. Then you have to add tags like coffee mug, okay, cat lover, okay, cats mug, okay, store funny, and that's about it, okay. So this is just an example. You can add different tags. I recommend you to add keywords and stuff that are relevant for your product, because it will be easier for people to find it that way, and it will also help you maybe in time to get traffic from other places like Google, the Google search engine, and other things like that. Then you have the campaign length, okay, and basically the campaign length, how much you want a campaign to last, okay, like 6 days, okay, 5 days, and when do you want it to end, okay, to select the hour. Then you have to choose an URL to create an URL for your product. Funny cat, okay, so this is our URL. Start selling, set selling price, so this is our selling price. Button text, so you can choose the text on your button, buy now. Campaign options, evergreen, so basically even if you have chosen the campaign to be only 5 days, basically the campaign will be evergreen, okay, so you will be able to sell and sell and sell again and again. Set back as default site to show for the product. Now we want it on the front. Terms of service, okay, everything it's ready right now, okay. You have to check the terms of service obviously as well, so check all the details once again so you can be sure that you didn't miss anything. And after all this part is done, you just have to press this button, launch campaign, okay, and basically you will see that you are ready to launch your campaign, okay. So this is it, guys. Very, very simple. Our new campaign is now live. Let's check it out. So you will see that we have this link here, okay. So this is our campaign, okay, $11.95, super cool limited edition cat coffee mug, okay, buy it now. So this is how your page of your product will look like, okay. You can just, I think I didn't put the C in here in the funny, it's funny at, it should have been funny cat, but anyway, we got the idea. This is just an example, so no worries. What you want to do is copy this link here and promote it in any places you want, okay, in order to get sales. Or you should have a marketing strategy before you launch a product. That's the whole idea. Or I will show you a couple of places in other videos where you can sell your products. Actually, this is the business model that I was talking to you about, okay. So you can give different spins to this business model. Either you already have a community centered and passionate about your niche, or you can use different techniques to get sales for your products, okay. Now let me go back because I haven't showed you a couple of other things here. You can view your campaign to see exactly statistics. You can optimize this campaign, select related campaigns, select an upsell. You can upsell people, maybe sell also a t-shirt. You can set up a pixel, okay. Maybe you want to install a Facebook conversion pixel on your page so you can retarget people after that. So you can do all of this type of things, but I won't go into any details because it can be complicated. If you already know how to do Facebook ads, you know what Facebook pixel is. An upsell, I think everybody knows what an upsell is. Basically, you can create another product, okay, with a different design or the same design, like a t-shirt or a bigger mug. Maybe people will want to buy 2 mugs, or the metallic mug or something like that. And that's about it. So you can go through these options as well if you want to, okay. So this is it, guys, for this video. I hope this was helpful for you. I'm looking forward to see that you have created your Gearbubble account and you have set up your first campaign. And I'm also looking forward to see you in the other videos and in the next lectures as well. Bye bye till next time. Sorin here. Hello guys, and welcome back to this video where I'm going to share with you what you can actually do with the products that you have designed and put on sale using Gearbubble. Okay, so basically you have seen how you can launch a campaign on Gearbubble. You have seen that you can create different types of products. You just have to upload the design. You can create t-shirts, necklaces, mugs, pillows, and whatever you could think about that could be obviously personalized. So basically, after you have launched your campaign there, your mug, your t-shirt, or whatever, you want to sell it, right? Now, in the case in which you have a community, for example, maybe you are passionate about French bulldogs or something like that, and you have a blog or a website which has traffic, you have an email database of people who would actually buy stuff from you, or a community, then that's fine. You probably already know how to market your products. But what do you do when you don't have these things, when you don't have the community? Okay, when you're just starting out from scratch and you just want to make a business and be able to sell a very good design that you create, and you want to sell products with that design. Okay, so basically starting from scratch without having any experience. Well, one way to go would be to try out Facebook ads. Okay, but Facebook ads are pretty expensive. They are not that easy to create, and basically to find the right type of ad. So probably you'd have to burn a couple of hundreds of dollars till you find the right combination, and you don't want to do that, right? Especially in the beginning when you are just starting up. Afterwards, maybe after a while, after you are making a couple of thousands per month, you are able to, I don't know, just throw away a couple of hundreds of dollars to optimize your Facebook ads in order to work. But in the beginning, you do not afford to do that, right? So you want something that can generate you sales, like free traffic, okay, or something which is pretty targeted and you somehow know for sure that will generate sales for you. Some of the first things that I would recommend you guys to do is try to sell your products on marketplaces. Okay, and a first example of marketplace where you can sell your products is Amazon.com. Basically, on Amazon you can become a seller. Okay, it's very easy to become a seller. You have to pay like a monthly fee of $49, and afterwards, after you become a seller, for the first month is free. So don't worry about that. You don't have to pay the $49 from the beginning. It's free the first month. So you have like a trial period. Afterwards, it's $49 per month. It's not a big deal. If you have multiple listings and you start to sell, it's not a big deal at all. So how do you create your Amazon seller account? Now, what does that mean? For example, if we go to an Amazon product, okay, or let me just go to the department store. Let's see, mugs. Let me just search for mugs. Okay, it's much easier this way. Okay, and let me scroll down. So you can see here that there are a lot of types of mugs here, and the cool part is, for example, if you look at this one, okay, this mug here, it says FBA seller. Okay, so basically this mug is sold by a seller like you. This one the same, the ones that where you see FBA seller, it's sold by someone like you. This one the same, this one the same, this one actually by 8 different types of person is sold. So as you can see, there are many people like you who are selling on Amazon. So it's very easy to do it. Okay, it's not so hard. What you want to do in order to be able to sell like this, you have to go on Google, search for Seller Central. Okay, you have to go to this first address here, sellercentral.amazon.com. And here, because I already have an account, I won't log in, but the whole idea is that not already selling on Amazon, you have to register. Okay, go and click on this link, register now. And after you register, okay, you will have two options of selling. You will have fulfillment by Amazon, and you don't want to do that one. That's for something different when you have your own products, your own stock of products, okay, and other things. And you will have another option, fulfilled by merchant. That's the one that you have to go for. You have to create your seller account, and then you have to list a product and select
sold by merchant, fulfilled by merchant. What does that mean? Whenever somebody orders your product, you will get all the details from them. They will pay to Amazon, and with those details you can make the order on Gearbubble and send their order. Okay, so this is very easy. So you get paid in Amazon, you get the details of the person who pays you. This is called drop shipping. Okay, you get the details, where the address and everything, where you have to ship the product. Then you go on Gearbubble, you make an order on Gearbubble with the details of that person, and Gearbubble will deliver the products directly to that person. It's very easy. It's called drop shipping. You just copy and paste the order from Amazon with the details of that person and put the order in Gearbubble, and that's it. It will ship directly. Gearbubble will ship it directly to that client. Okay, very similar to what you can do on Amazon. It's eBay. You can go to eBay. Also, you probably already know it's a huge marketplace. You have to create an account. You'll have a selling options in your account, and after you apply to become a seller, an eBay seller, you can start to create listings. You have a maximum of 10 listings in the beginning. Afterwards, after a certain number of transactions and after a certain amount of money which went through your account, you are able to list more products. Okay, but in the beginning, just create an account on eBay. You will see that you have the possibility to sell after you create your account, and you just apply for that selling account. Okay, create your first listing and sell the products through eBay. Now, why do I recommend you to go to these marketplaces like Amazon and eBay? Because they already have traffic, and it's free traffic, and more than that, these are actual people who are looking to buy stuff. Okay, because otherwise they wouldn't searching for products on marketplaces, right? These are people who are actually interested already in buying stuff. So the probability for them, if they go to see your product on your listing, to actually buy your product is very, very big. Okay, because they are already interested. That's why they are on eBay or on Amazon to buy stuff. Okay, so this is very important. Now, another website that you can use in a very similar way like eBay and Amazon, it's Etsy.com. Now, most of the sellers which are here on Etsy.com, for example, let me go to jewelry, anklets. Okay, so most of the sellers that you will find here are people who are doing like handmade jewelry, handmade clothing and stuff like that, you know, different types of handmade stuff. So basically something like coffee mugs or things like that. Let me search for coffee mug, right? Coffee mug. Okay, so things like coffee mug, personalized coffee mug and stuff like that, you will find them all over the place here, and basically you can sell them for a very good product, right? You can see here $14, okay, $14, $10. So you actually get a very good margin for these products that you'll sell here. Okay, so this is another way to go for it. Go on Etsy, and people who are coming on Etsy are actually interested in buying this type of stuff. Okay, because this is a marketplace for stuff, for products which are personalized and handmade. Okay, so this is a very good place also to put your products. So right from the get-go, I just given you free options that you can use in order to start from scratch to sell your products from Gearbubble. Okay, without actually having to put any other money into advertising or creating I don't know what other kind of things. Okay, now another thing that you can do, and this is the final thing that I will show you in this video, is actually create a Facebook store. So what you have to do is go on Facebook, create a Facebook page, like something related to the niche, okay, that you are selling the products in. For example, I've talked before about French bulldogs, right? So that was our niche as an example. Now you can go on Facebook, create a page related to French bulldogs, okay? And after you create a page, you will see that on Facebook automatically right now in the tab section right here, you will have this option, shop, okay? So basically all the pages have a shop on Facebook. So what you can do is also create a shop on Facebook. So go into this tab, edit it, you will see that it's very intuitive, very simple to create it. Create a shop on Facebook, add your product from Gearbubble there with details and everything. And after that, as I've told you before, if you are experienced in advertising on Facebook, you can create your own Facebook ads to advertise your shop on Facebook, or you can drive traffic any other way, okay, to your Facebook shop. Maybe invite friends who you know are passionate, go into groups, okay, Facebook groups about French bulldogs, go on Instagram, search influencers that can promote your product and so on. Okay, so there are different
different ways of approaching this as a business, but my recommendations, especially in the beginning, go on Amazon, go on eBay, go on Etsy, create those accounts, publish your products there, and you'll see that sales will come in if you choose the right price and you create a beautiful design and a beautiful listing. Okay guys, thank you very much. I hope that this was helpful for you, and I hope that you will put this in practice, and also I hope that you will make a business out of this and that you will make many sales and many profits. I'm actually looking for your success stories out of this, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. And till next time, and till my next videos, and I expect to see you in my other videos and lectures as well. I wish you all the best and maximum success. Bye bye for now. Sorin here.